Tired of rebuilding the same chart over and over? Save it as a template and reuse it in seconds. I'll show you 3 quick steps. Right-click, save, and choose a destination. Let's go. So here's the thing. You've spent all this time getting your chart to look perfect. The right colors, the perfect font. Maybe you've even added some custom data labels. Then next week, you need another chart that looks exactly the same, and you're starting from scratch. It's frustrating, right? Well, there's a much better way. Start with your formatted chart, the one you've already polished and perfected. This is the chart you want to reuse over and over. This is going to be your source material. Make sure it has all the formatting you want to keep. The colors, the layout, everything. Once it's ready, you're good to go. Now right-click directly on the chart. And I mean right on the chart area itself, not on the border or the text boxes around it. You want to make sure you've selected the whole chart. When you right-click, a menu will pop up. Look for the option that says Save as Template. It's usually about halfway down the list. Click that. Once you click it, a dialog box will open up. This is where you choose where to save your template. Now pay attention to this one. By default, Word might try to save it in a specific folder, usually something like your custom Office templates folder. And honestly, that's a great place to put it. It keeps everything organized and easy to find later. But if you want to save it somewhere else, like a project folder on your desktop, you absolutely can. Just navigate to wherever makes sense for you. Give it a recognizable name, not something generic like Chart 1. Think about what will make sense to you in a month or two. Something like Quarterly Sales Blue or Project Status Green. Something that tells you exactly what it is at a glance. And here's a little tip from experience. Avoid using dates in the name unless you're absolutely sure you won't need the same format next year. You'd be surprised how fast those old templates pile up. Once you've named it, click Save. Now let's see how to use it. Insert a new chart into your document. Any type will do. Once it appears, right-click that new chart and go to Change Chart Type. Down at the very bottom of the window that pops up, you'll see an option that says Templates. Click on that, and you should see your newly saved template sitting there, ready to go. Click on it, hit OK, and just like that, your new chart looks exactly like the old one. Check the result. It should be almost identical to your original. Sometimes you might need to make a tiny adjustment. Maybe the data labels need a slight nudge, or the legend is in a slightly different spot. That's perfectly normal. Just make those small tweaks and move on. And that is it. You've just saved yourself a ton of time. From this point forward, every time you need a chart with that same look, you just pull up your template. No more rebuilding from scratch. No more wasted effort. Just one click and you're done. If this helped, give the video a like and I'll see you in the next one.